In this video I'm going to be showing you how to set a ringtone or even a custom ringtone on the new iPhone 16, which we have right here. It's really easy to do. So without further ado, all you want to do is you first want to actually access settings on your phone like so, and scroll down to the option that is called sounds and haptics, which is right here. Now once you actually click on sounds and haptics like so, it's going to bring you to this panel like so, where from here what you want to do is you can actually scroll down. You can choose the ringtone option, or you can do text tone or email tone or calendar alerts, but we just want to click on ringtone right here, where once you do this, you can actually choose any of the default ringtones. Now these are all the default Apple ringtones, but if you don't want any of the default Apple ringtones, what you want to do to actually download things, any custom songs, any custom sound effects, you just click on the Tune Store right here, or you can actually click on download all purchase tunes, but you click on Tune Store and you actually will be brought to this app like so. If you don't have it, you need to download iTunes Store from the App Store, and you can actually click on tunes, purchased, or download. Or from here, you can actually search for any songs on the Tune Store, and some are free, some cost money, but basically, you can actually take these songs and put them as your ringtone. Once you do that, you can click on download all purchased tunes here, and actually select any of these tunes which have been synced right here into my tune. Now these two are custom ringtones right here, and if you want more custom ringtones, again, just go to the Tune Store and actually download them from here. But once you do that, you can actually select it and go back, and yeah, that's how you set a custom or even just any normal ringtone on your iPhone 16.